today we talk about how can you select CSS on your Zalando app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. You keep going down. Then you click here on your CSS here. So then here can you select here, so you just click here on your measurements here. So here can you so here you have to which so then it's going to open with us here, and here can you select this is here from your items here. So it's going to take our time, just waiting to open with you here. So when it's going to open with you here, and here can you check here this in this list. So and you click here on restart toolkit, it's right here. So then it's going to take us to next step here, just switching to open with us here. Then it's going to open with us in this list, and here can you so here can you, if you want to watch video tutorial here or just skip, then here you click here on I understand here. Then here enter your height, then continue here. Then it's going to show for you here all this is you add here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.